Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gain Knowledge. Today we talk about basic terms of a stock market. First, stockbroker. Second, depository and depository participant. Third, banks. And fourth, NSCCL and ICCL. Stockbroker. First, a stockbroker is registered as a trading member in a stock exchange and hold a stockbroking license. Second point, you need a stockbroker because you can't go to stock exchange to buy or sell your shares by yourself. That's why you need a stockbroker who can buy or sell your shares in a stock exchange. Third point, and a stockbroker open your trading account. Depository and depository participant. A depository offers the service of Demat account. Second point, a Demat account is in your name, will store your all share in electronic format, just like you store your money in a bank account. Third point, the trading account from your broker and the Demat account from your depository are interlinked. Fourth, at present there are only two depositories offering you Demat account, NSDL and CDSL. Fifth point, depository participant. Just like you can't go to NSC or BSC to open trading account, you can't go to depository to open Demat account. You need a depository participant to open your Demat account in a depository. Banks. First point, they help in facilitating the fund transfer from your bank account to trading account. Second, you can interlink only one bank account to your given trading account. Third point, you can't transfer money from bank account that is not in your name. NSCCL and ICCL. First point, it is the clearing corporation to ensure guaranteed settlement of your trade or transaction. Second point, for example, if you buy one share of ITC at rupees 210 per share, there must be someone who sold that one share at rupees 210. So, clearing corporation has worked to find buyer and seller. Third point, NSCCL, National Security Clearing Corporation Limited, is for NSC, National Stock Exchange. Fourth point, ICCL, Indian Clearing Corporation Limited, is for BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.